So, how to create a game for Android devices, part 4. We're going to run the .build_native.sh file. So, we're going to import assets by running ./build_native.sh file. So, the assets can be your graphics for your game, the music for your game, or sprite sheets for your game. The sprite sheets include the animations that you're going to need for your game. So you need to copy and paste all of your assets for your game into the resource folder inside your project. Then you need to open a Cygwin terminal. Inside the Cygwin terminal, you need to navigate to the .build_native.sh file in your proj.android folder. And finally, you're going to run the file inside Cygwin by typing ./build_native.sh and pressing enter. This is going to import all of your assets into your assets folder inside Eclipse. It is very important that you run this file every time you add new assets to your resource folder in Eclipse. If you don't run this file, your assets are going to get deleted by Eclipse. So if you add your files inside Eclipse, you add new graphics, new music, but you don't run this file every time you close Eclipse and then open it up again, your recently added assets are not going to be in there because they get deleted by Eclipse. So remember to always perform this step every time you add new graphics or assets into your project. So I'm going to show you this now. So I need to copy and paste my assets into my resource folder inside my project. So I have prepared for you two pictures that I'm going to use for the game, a background and a title for the game. So I need to copy and paste this into the resource folder. So inside my Cocos2dx folder, I'm going to find my project, my fly game folder, and inside I'm going to find the resource folder, resources. So inside the resources, I'm going to copy and paste those two pictures that I want to use in my game. Remember, you always need to do this step when you add new assets for your game. In this resources folder, you need to copy and paste all your assets. So once you do that, you need to open a Cygwin terminal. So I open my Cygwin terminal, and you need to navigate to the folder in your PC where your .build_native.sh file is. I'll show you where that file is. So if I go back to my project, and inside the project.android folder, I can find the build_native.sh. So I need to navigate to this file inside Cygwin. To do that, I'm going to copy this path, and inside a new Cygwin terminal, I'm going to type cd, and I'm going to right click and paste that path. And then I need to change all the backslashes to a slash. So go ahead and do that, and then just press enter, and you're going to be inside that folder in the Cygwin terminal. Now, as you can see, these yellow letters appear, and that means I'm inside that my folder, and now I need to run the build native file. So I do that by typing point slash build underscore native dot sh, and then I press enter. So this is going to create my project and import my assets into Eclipse. Now I'm ready to import this project into Eclipse and start creating my game. So this is going to run for a while, and after a while, when it's done, you need to see all of this compile thumb and all the Coco Studio classes, CC, these are the classes, built in C++, so they are compiling and getting ready so you can import this file or this project into Eclipse and keep working from there. The first time this takes a while, but the next time you do this, when you import new assets, this only takes about 5 seconds. So I'm just gonna wait for a while. I want to show you the whole process. You need to be getting all of this. You shouldn't be getting any errors. If you get errors, go back to my videos, to my previous videos, and check that you have followed all of the steps according to my explanation. Okay, so now it's done, and now I'm ready to import my project into Eclipse. But first, inside Eclipse, I need to download some C++ plugins. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to download the C++ plugins for Eclipse, and after that, you can import this project.